What's up, bros and hoes? I think I got the old 701LR all ready to go for the long trip to Arizona. I got a fine LED light, should lighten up the night like a day. I got my big tank on. I got a comfy pad for when the mileage gets long. I got my bags. This pad I'm going to add a strap to the front here before I go. I got my cruise control. I got my RAM mount for my camera. Got my RAM mount for my GPS. I think we're ready to go to Arizona, boys and girls. Tires are plenty good for this ride. Figure we'll blow them off by the end. Everybody Dale is calling for 800 miles through the desert. This should be interesting. Yeehaw. Pray for me, people. Pray for me. That butt pad better work.